Hi, welcome to Auntie Knows Kitchen, and for those that are returning, I thank you for coming back, and thank you everyone for all their support on my channel. Today we're going to be making brown sugar bourbon glazed carrots. Now, carrots, I love carrots. I hope you like carrots too. So we're going to get started. Give me a moment and we'll get to cooking. Before we get to cooking, let's make take care of a little housekeeping. This is my go-to bourbon. Bourbon, once heat hits it, the alcohol in bourbon evaporates, so you won't be getting intoxicated. You just have the flavor, but no, the alcohol content evaporates. So just want to let get that little housekeeping out. Okay, you're going to need 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 pound of carrots. Now you can buy you some carrots and do all the peeling and all of that. I'm not doing that. And because this is a pound of carrots, you had to use my dry measuring cup because I'm not using a 1/4 cup of bourbon in this. That's too much bourbon. So I'm adding about 1/8 cup of bourbons to this. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm not using the salt in this for flavor. I'm using it to draw out the water in the carrots because carrots have water in them. And I need the water to be drawn out so they can simmer in their own juice. Because carrots are full of water. So I'm going to turn my saucepan on. Get my butter in there. Get that all melted. Clean my hand. Okay, once this get all melted, we'll be back. Okay, my butter's all nice and melted. You see that foam on top? I'm going to add carrots. Turn the heat down. I'm going to go ahead and add this salt in here. If I can draw some of that water out of here, out of these carrots. And I'm going to let them simmer a little bit, and I will be right back and we'll keep going. See, this is what I mean. See, the carrots have water in them, and when the salt draws the water out. So, because they're simmering in their own juice. And that's what you want them to do. So I'm going to let these simmer another 2 or 3 minutes and draw some more of that natural water out and that natural sweetness. Okay, now we're going to add the bourbon. Now when you're dealing with alcohol, turn your heat down low. And be careful with alcohol because alcohol is flammable and you don't want to have any flames. And let that alcohol evaporate. Now I can turn my heat back up because I have my alcohol in here. And let the alcohol evaporate. It takes about 5 minutes for the alcohol to evaporate out of it, so you can just have the flavor. It takes about 5 minutes. So I'll return once all this alcohol evaporates. Remember what I said, it takes about 5 minutes for your alcohol to evaporate, and so you're just left with flavor. All right, now I've gotten all the alcohol out. I'm going to throw in my brown sugar. Turn my heat down some. Get all this mixed in together. Because now I want it to simmer slow. Hot. Splattered on me. I want my carrots to simmer slow because I want that glaze. And I'm going to let these simmer down to get tender, and we'll be back. If you have a lid for your pots, use your lid. That helps in the cooking process because it's going to be a steam. It's going to steaming. It helps with your cooking process. So again, if you have lids, if you don't have a lid, you can cover it with some foil. But just covering it creates a steam pocket also. Guys, the carrots are done. Look at that. You see that glaze? Look at that beautiful glaze. And see, it's okay to have extra glaze because if you serve this, you know, you just don't want just carrots. You want some of that glaze. You still want some glaze to go on your carrots. You want to scoop up some of that good glaze. Now, those of you that want a strong bourbon flavor, go ahead and add a fourth cup to a third cup if you want that strong bourbon flavor in your carrots. And I'm going to show you how tender they are. They're not mushy. You don't want mushy carrots. This recipe, it's not meant to be mushy. Now, if you need mushy, keep cooking them. So some of these I will keep cooking, and some of these I will take out for mother. We'll keep cooking. So again, look at these. These are your brown sugar bourbon carrots. A great side dish. Again, you don't have to worry about the alcohol because the alcohol has evaporated. It takes 5 minutes for the alcohol content to evaporate. So, oh my goodness. Real time. Real time. So, but thank you guys for joining in to with this recipe. Sorry that I dropped the camera, knocked her down or whatever. But like I said, I just keep moving. Nobody's perfect. Well, not in my book anyway. But thank you guys for joining in to Auntie Knows Kitchen, to the next recipe. Be you, be great doing it. Look at my fingers. I'm all over the place. Really, I am, and I'm sorry about that. But thank you again. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. More great things to keep coming from Auntie Knows Kitchen. Love you all. Bye. Yep, bye.